I received this package from Track and Ride. There is the top box I ordered a couple of days before. Reached to me today. Today is 19th of May. So now let's unbox it. This is gonna be a task because I have to do with my single hand. So I think this is the handle bar. Now I'll use the key to unlock the box. There it goes. This is how it opens. Got this bubble wrap thing. These are the plates used. And what is that? I think a free stuff, a free gift from the Track and Ride guys. And the keychain. Now let's open this. So let me do this right away. Okay, so here's the, I think, screw, mounting screw. These are the hinges used to mount the box on this. I think this will be going on top of the box, I believe, somewhere here. Yep, this looks good. And this is the base plate. So here I'm gonna try and install, setting up the Track and Ride top case. This is the plate I received. Gonna place it here. These are the stuff which I'm gonna use to make it hold. This is the place I'm gonna place my bracket. यहाँ पे आई थिंक सेंटर लग रहा है. अभी थोड़ा सा दिक्कत जा रही है बिकॉज मैं एक हाथ से वीडियो बना रहा हूँ और एक हाथ से इसको प्लेसिंग कर रहा हूँ. सो जस्ट टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट्स गोना फिट. So this is how the plate has been fixed. Very sturdy, very much strong enough, I believe, to hold the top box or the top case, whatever you say. So this is how I have fitted it. This is how my bike is looking with the top case. The best part of this top box, my sole helmet comes, can fit in perfectly if there is no luggage inside. And this has got a backrest, a lot of cushion here. Everything looks sturdy to me. Everything looks very good, except this thing, which is like a kind of separate thing. You need to screw it from the top. So how do I show you? Okay, now can you see these screws here? One here, one here. So I'm not sure how good this will be. Though it's got a washer here, but I'm not sure how good will this be during the monsoon. If water comes out from this area, it will gonna spoil all my inside compartment. So other than this thing, which has been, which has to be fit by these 4 screws, I don't see any flaw in this box. Good reflectors, a decent amount of storage. I don't know, I need to find out how much storage officially it has been there on the Track and Ride top case. But overall it looks good. So this is how the bike looking after fitting the base plate, and this is the cover which has been provided to make it look more finished base plate. Now I'm gonna place the top box and show you how the bike overall looks.